Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about one Metamask mistake that may cost you all your savings. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make a consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Metamask is a popular and safe cryptocurrency wallet, but even its unique seed phrase can't always keep people out. So what's the reason? Metamask has a security system with two parts. You can use both your password and something called a seed phrase. The seed phrase is like a master key for all of your wallets that are linked to your Metamask account. So, what's the problem then? You can connect as many wallets as you want, and the seed phrase is made for you automatically. This sounds great then. The problem is that if you use Metamask in this way, you might not make any money. If someone steals your Metamask, they will be able to get into more than just one wallet. They can see all of your wallets that are connected to it, even ones you make in the future. Even your seed phrase isn't necessary. They only need to be able to use your computer. Some fans have even copied a code that shows the system data of your browser. An intruder can then only get in by guessing the password you used. So let's remember, never use the same password on different sites. If you put personal information in your passwords, you are making it easier for people to break in. The most dangerous thing about this situation is that an attacker can get all the wallets you make. They won't have to type in your password at all. When you make a new wallet on a hacked account, the intruder won't be able to see it. But here's the catch. Both your computer and the attacker's computer will have the same contract address. So they make as many wallets as they want. All they have to do is look at your account every now and then, waiting for a big sum to steal. So how can I make sure my Metamask wallet is safer? Keep your default Metamask wallet empty. This is the best thing you can do. Make your other wallets on their own and not through Metamask. The next step is to bring them into Metamask, so it won't have direct access to your wallet or the information in it. If you did everything right, there will be a message next to the wallet you imported. Now, if someone steals your Metamask data, that wallet won't show up in their wallet. For each of your wallets, they need a different passphrase. Again, don't use the same password on every site, or none of the security upgrades will help you. Also, in Metamask, don't forget to check certain connections. You can see which sites have access to your Metamask there. If everything works, you will see a list of sites like OpenSea where you've bought NFTs or used crypto. The auto-lock timer is another way that Metamask can help you stay safe. It can be set to shut down at a certain time. You can do this in the settings though. It stops malware apps from running in the background. Make sure Metamask is only on when you need it to be. Remember that you can't get 100% security for a website or project from the crypto world. Choose the projects you believe in. Understand that no one else can manage your money for you. We hope you found today's video helpful and that you learned something new about Metamask. It is one of the most important tools in the Web3 world. So don't forget to pay attention to how it works and how safe it is. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.